And away we go on the cauliflower leaves. I gave it to them because nothing's coming out of it. It's just leaves. It is a beautiful day. Well, today we're doing a little bit of cleanup. I had things growing in here that weren't really doing anything, so I just emptied them out, put them back into the raised bed while the hens are doing their thing. Two of them actually started fighting. I couldn't film it before because my hands were busy, but I just came right in the middle of them and then they stopped. So when you do have some hens that are butting heads, you can actually just get in them. Well, I get in the middle of them. I don't know how you feel about that, but I just say stop it, and I kind of move forward, and then they stop. Well, it is a beautiful day. I have been watching some of my garden videos on YouTube, and I had to stop because it is gorgeous out, and I'd rather be outside taking it in versus being on a screen all day. Sometimes we have to give ourselves limited, time. We have to kind of like monitor ourselves. So otherwise, I can watch 30 videos a day on just gardening, but observing isn't doing. So it is beautiful out, 2 o'clock in the afternoon. And we have blue skies right above us. So I am going to let the hens out for a good, 40 minutes, 1 hour. It depends on when they tell me they want to go back in. Okay, peaches are finally ripening. They're not the traditional peaches that you see in the supermarket where they're nice and orange. These are white peaches. I didn't realize that. But they are super sweet. And we keep harvesting them. So I'm going to have to figure what I really want to do with them. I do want to save them for the winter time so we can make cobbler. But I also want to eat them. I want to have them with ice cream. I want to make jelly. I want to make a pie. So many things to do. But when you have so many things to do, I get overwhelmed. And then I say to myself, you know what? I'm just going to eat them just right out of the basket. That's the easiest way. And the most nutritious way too, by the way. Girls like being by the gate over there. Oh, and that's another thing. I'm wearing open toe shoe. Not good, especially when they are kicking up mulch. See these? I'm just going to get rid of them. Matter of fact, I don't even know what they were. I think they were cauliflower. So I'll get rid of these two. This one I may keep because it still has its leaves, and that one also. But these two I'll get rid of. So I don't throw anything away. I just put it right back into the raised bed, and then I use my pots all over again. So here's a little tip. I put my hose right on top of the raised bed, and as I, go around harvesting, look at this. Wow, it's great. As I go around harvesting, then the hose does the work for me. I just finished misting these guys. These are the beets that I planted, that I seeded. So hopefully they'll stand up a little straighter before I plant them finally. These are the peas magnolia that are going actually to the keeper's house. These are the purple hull pink eye peas. Actually, these are beans. These are beans and these are collards. And since nothing has come about with this cauliflower, I'm going to get it out and give the greenery to the girls. Why'd you give him carrots? Wow. From a bento box, huh?
Yep. Bento box.
Well, that's one way of watering the melons. There you go, harvesting.
I am picking tomatoes. Beautiful, ripe Roma tomatoes.
Oh, wow, you even know them, huh?
Of course. Well, it's like a carpenter without a hammer.
Look at this one.
You don't know what you got. Should I get them like this?
No, no, they should be redder, because, yeah, those little guys are great.
Suelta.
All right.
I forgot what the hell they call it. That he looked inside and he went, oh, beautiful. And then it turned into like an ugly creature. And what was that? Raiders of the Lost Ark, right?
Yes.
Yeah, look. Hey, you gotta tie this up. What happened to the zip ties? Let me get a zip tie.
Harvesting dinner tonight. You see all that? Those are string beans. You see all that? Those are string beans. You see all that? String beans, string beans. And where am I growing them, so you guys know? In a green stalk. Check that out. What else am I going to have? Here's another green stalk. All right, so check that out. You see that? I don't know if you can see that. Look, it's a pepper. Look at that. It's I believe it's a sweet banana pepper. That's going to be part of my dinner. So, this is a beach. I'm speechless. White peach. Mmm. 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 like peach in the Bronx from a tree. Guys, seriously, this is one of my blessings. I count my blessings, and this is one of them. Oh my God. It's almost like it was kissed by God. Wow. Wow. I don't know what I did to deserve this, but I am humbled at having a peach like this. Oh my God. Humbled. Don't let rumors of where you're living, if it's not one of those places that people like to live in, don't let rumors like that define you. When people think of the Bronx, they think of those old movies. This is not like that. Yeah, the Bronx has grit. It sure does. But it has places to grow food. We just grew a peach, and it came down from heaven. Oh, the rain, the sun, and the blessing. Until the next time, guys. Until the next time. Excellent. Oh, wow. I still can't get over it. Okay, it's David's turn.
You can't eat the pit, right?
No, don't put that in your mouth, knowing you. That's the same face I had.
It's so juicy. Oh my God. I got to bring some of these to the grandkids.
Isn't that amazing?
Excellent.
Bye.
We got the best peaches in the supermarket, okay? Why? Because the supermarket peaches are dry and they taste like straw, but these are juicy.
All right. And they were grown by us on a regular tree.
Sweet.
On a peach tree.
Blessed by the Lord.
See
Thank
ya.
you. Thank you, honey.
Again, I'm
Blondie, come here,
drinking
girl.
water. Nice.